Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this still happens to be your first time here, I'm Faren. I do natural hair, skincare, and lifestyle videos. So please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another upload. So obviously, because you read the title, you know what I used to get here. But just in case you didn't, I just wanted to come on here and intro the video, but we're gonna get into it right. So as you know, my hair is kind of going through a rehab itself. So I felt like it was time to just go ahead and try out these new products. Y'all also have told me about these, but I picked up the Curlsmith Strength Superfood Protein Kit, and I just went ahead and got the whole thing because I like trying products and it was cheaper this way. So this is my first Curlsmith experience, so I'm actually kind of excited to see how this goes. So of course, I guess if you haven't heard about these products, this is the protein collection from Curlsmith. It is a rehab salve. We have a featherlight protein cream, and then there's also a bouncy strength volume foam. I'll go into more details and tell you about them throughout the video. So I feel like the main course is really like the appetizer because it's coming out first. But I'm gonna try out this Bond Curl Rehab Salve. Some ingredients that stand out are pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil. That's some good stuff right there. Guava and kale. I'm all about the superfoods. So let's see. I know that I have medium porosity hair, even though people try to tell me otherwise. Where are the instructions on here? Are they on here? Oh, I just can't see. Okay, so apply a generous amount on damp hair until it is fully saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 15 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse off thoroughly and follow with your favorite Curlsmith conditioner and stylers. All right, so spray water on clean product-free hair. That's not the case here. Sorry, like I'm actually coming from a wash and go. Ooh, so, and it's like snowing. So since the instructions say to apply on clean damp hair, I'm actually just gonna like soak my hair really quick, eat some dinner, and then come back and apply it because I don't feel like doing this another day. I need to do this now and it'll be damp after I sit down and eat and everything. All right, so I'll be back. Okay, so I'm eating my dinner. My hair is damp. It's not soaking wet. So this is what it looks like before the treatment. Ooh, yeah. Okay. So, am I gonna like section my hair? Let me grab my hair clips. Do I just pour this? I wish it had like a pump. That would make me feel a little better about life. So I'm really bad at multitasking, so I'm probably gonna do a voiceover for this part. Sorry, I can't apply products and think at the same time. I can't function that way. So yeah, listen up. I'm going to read this straight from Ulta's website, and it says, why use the Bond Curl Rehab Salve? Hair gets damaged over time from just everyday life. Washing, brushing, styling, tying up in a scrunchie, heated appliances, coloring, or bleaching. Hair is made from protein, and over time, damage occurs, not just on the surface, which makes the hair look dull and frizzy, but within the hair structure itself, causing breakage. Balancing protein-rich and moisturizing products in your routine is key to strengthen and protect the hair against damage. The more damaged and porous your hair is, the more protein-rich products you should use. Curlsmith Bond Let me try that again. Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve is an intense pre-shampoo treatment rich in proteins that targets hair bonds to strengthen and repair from the inside out. How the magic happens. Hair is made of a keratin structure which is reinforced by so-called hair bonds. There are 3 types of bonds that make up the hair structure. We have disulfide bonds, which are damaged by bleach and chemical treatments, salt bonds, which are damaged by sudden pH imbalance, and hydrogen bonds, which are damaged with the excess of moisture and heat. Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve, that is like a tongue twister, oh my god, is a powerful blend of superfoods and fortifying active ingredients that targets all 3 of these bonds to repair, rebuild, and restore hair fiber strength. It also provides protection to help against further damage, which y'all know your girl needs. What I really liked about these products is the fruity smell. I love that it's all natural. You know, Curlsmith is vegan, all natural, no sulfates, none of those bad things. So I love that about these products. I did apply it from root to tip. I applied it liberally because my hair needs all the love and affection that it can get. And I let it sit for about 30 minutes because per Ulta's website, for medium porosity hair, you should use this every other wash day for 20 minutes. So yeah, I let this sit and then we're gonna hop into the shower. I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looked like after the rehab salve set for 30 minutes. Nothing spectacular, nothing crazy. It's cool. But then I went in with the Vivid Vibrant Something Color shampoo and conditioner, and honestly, I still wasn't too thrilled, but it wasn't until this very moment and I saw this snapback. Do you see that bounce? Points were being made. So now I'm just going to do my typical in shower wash and go. I'm going to start with the Featherlight Protein Cream. The directions say apply to wet hair after you shower, rake through to ensure you are evenly coating all strands, then use the praying hands method to smooth all locks down, seal the moisture, and tame the cuticles. Finally, flip the head over and scrunch upwards to encourage curl formation. Air dry or diffuse. For extra strengthening and volume boost, follow with the Curlsmith Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. So I kind of did that. I don't really do the prayer hands method on my type 4 hair. I just don't really feel that it coats all of my hair because my hair is so dense. So I am applying it liberally regardless of what the directions say. Once I applied the styling cream, I added the InStyler, what is it called? InStyle Curl Fixer. I'm gonna have all of this linked in the description box down below, but basically the in-shower style fixer is like a gel and it had a 10 hold. So I decided that I was going to use that on top of the Featherlight Protein Cream just because I need a little extra hold for my hair. And then for the final step, I used the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. Basically applied it the same way that I did the protein cream and the InStyle in-shower fixer. I don't know why I keep saying that. And yeah, I did my typical wash and go, shook it out, hopped out of the shower. So now that I have all of those products applied to my hair, I am going to let it air dry and diffuse it and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna come back tomorrow to let you know my final thoughts, even though I feel like it was written all over my face how I felt. You know, like maybe that'll change once it dries. But yeah, for me, it'll be tomorrow, but for you, it'll be in 2 seconds. See you soon. So this is later the same night. I have dried and diffused my hair, but honestly, I'm afraid that tomorrow is going to be super frizzy and ugly and it's supposed to be raining, and I'm just really scared that it's going to look a hot mess. So I wanted to show you what it looks like dry. And yeah, I have thoughts. I have real thoughts, but yeah, for real, you'll see me tomorrow / 2 seconds. Obviously, it's the next day, and this is the result of my wash and go, and I'm just not thoroughly impressed. My hair actually feels kind of dry. It has no shine to it. There's some definition, but I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting. I just wasn't expecting this. I need to put a little shine spray on it, but Future Faren here. My hair doesn't look that bad. I think it was the strengthening treatment that made my hair feel so strong instead of moisturized. Here we are. So I guess I'll get into these products individually and kind of rate them. The Bond Curl Rehab Salve, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 10 for my first impression, simply off the elasticity that I saw immediately in my coils. Fred will give you that bounce back with this, so I definitely will incorporate this into my wash routine. This was good. Not gonna mention the shampoo and conditioner that I use because I just don't feel like I was that impressed. But if you would like to see a whole video and full review, just ask me in the comments and I will do that for you. So the next thing that I used was the Feather Light Protein Cream. You know, it says it has a 4 hold, which is, you know, half a hold. And I will take full responsibility because I use this as my leave-in and it's a styler. So, you know, my hair probably doesn't have the moisture that it needs because this was a strength routine. I should have made sure I was putting moisture into my hair and used the leave-in because this was not a leave-in at all. But honestly, I just didn't want to put another layer of products on my hair. I just did not want to go through that many steps. I'm gonna be honest. I'll try it again, but this I can't give an honest opinion right now. I feel like I'm going to be too hard on it because I didn't like it. Did not like it at all. So I will try it as a styler with a moisturizing mask and leave-in underneath it because it is part of the strength recipe. So I feel like it's gonna strengthen my hair in the long run, I guess. Bonus product was this, the In Shower Style Fixer, which I used as my styler because both of the products in the strength recipe kit said they had light holds, and we know a light hold ain't gonna do nothing for Fred, okay? So I did go in with the In Shower Style Fixer as my styler because I assumed it would work like a gel. It has a 10 out of 10 hold, and I guess maybe if I had the moisture in my hair it would be a 10 out of 10, but no. Strong hold, anti-frizz, I guess. I mean, my hair isn't frizzy, it just doesn't feel good. Last but not least, I have the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam, light hold, volume, weightless, water. That's how I see it. It's a 2 invisible hold. I ain't gonna hold you, and this ain't either. I'm gonna have to add this, like I said, some kind of other way. It's a strengthening treatment, so it did help my wash and go dry quicker. My hair does feel strong, so don't get me wrong. I guess the products did work, and this is a first impression, and these are products that I would have to use over time. But let's just go ahead and wrap this up and keep it 100. I will never use all 3 of these products in this kit together ever again. It's a no. It's a no, because I'm gonna need too many other things to go with it. Yeah, I can use this as one step, but like having to add a lot of things takes a lot of time and a lot of products. And yeah, I want my hair to have hold to it, but I don't want it to be weighed down with 16 products. You know what I'm saying? So I I would suggest, if you have coily hair like I do and you do pick up the kit, you're just gonna have to incorporate it into your routine in different ways. I just wouldn't recommend using them all together on coily hair. As a matter of fact, this styling foam says for curly and wavy hair. I know that ain't me. What does this say? And this just says for weak damaged curls, which my curls are damaged. It says feather light, and yeah, what am I gonna do with that? I just wasn't blown away. I've heard so many great things about Curlsmith, but I will give them another try. Of course, they're in my stash now. Of course I'm gonna try them out. Jesus, that was dangerous. If you'd like to see an entire video dedicated to this in-shower style fixer, I can do that as well, because I think honestly these products will work better with other things I have in my stash. They have to. Like, something in my stash can always make it better. Kiss it better, free. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite Curlsmith products are. Maybe I will give them a try. I don't know. This experience, it won't be anytime soon. I can tell you that much, because this just wasn't it. But I am thankful for each and every one of you. I appreciate you guys so much. I really mean it, and I will see you in the next one.